A passion for beautiful stones. The manufacturing of large laurel leaves required the use of excellent quality raw material, pushing the Solutrean groups to seek out the best fine-grained flints. Generally speaking, the Solutrean groups liked stones for their aesthetic qualities, the thinness of their grains, and even their rarity. Selected for criteria of color, transparency, or even for the presence of inclusions, these specific materials were sometimes moved over significant distances. The flint from Grand Pressigny, southern Touraine, has been found on sites located more than 100 kilometers from its original source, in the southwest, at Fourneau du Diable, Logerie-Haute or La Landry in the Dordogne, and in the centre-north of France, at Ormesson, in Seine-et-Marne. The Ormesson site was identified thanks to knapped flints and bison bones brought to the surface of a ploughed field. Research excavations have been taking place there for over 15 years. They have uncovered several levels of Paleolithic settlements. The Solutrean level is one of the most recent. At Ormesson, the Solutrean nomads set up their camp below a loess mound, sheltered by a large sandstone block protecting them from the wind. They also moved nearly 3 tons of rocks with which they marked out their activity areas. These stones may have had various functions, wedging at the base of the skins covering the dwellings, seats, chopping stones, stones associated with hearths, etc. The identified remains evidence numerous activities: flint knapping, butchery, hide working, etc. The bones discovered in the habitation site belong to 3 horses and 3 reindeer that were hunted and brought back to camp. Their skins seem to have been worked in the northern part, as indicated by the tools, end scrapers, discovered there. All the steps of manufacturing laurel leaves are found. Very small shaping flakes show that the last steps of manufacturing, sharpening or even resharpening the cutting edges were carried out on site. They were used as butchery knives according to the use where traces on their edges. In Ormesson, several engraved cortexes were discovered. They probably come from the same block of flint on which geometric patterns were incised before knapping. Their meaning still eludes us: sign of belonging to a napper, simple artistic expression, symbolic meaning. An originality of the site is the discovery of at least 15 reindeer antlers, most of them shed antlers from adult males. They do not seem to have been worked. Are they a stock of raw material for tool-making, construction, or decoration elements of the dwellings? Climb the 3 steps to the right to reach the next step.